Hi friends, we visited different Costco locations looking for the best clearance finds for July, and I'm so excited to show you what we found. We spotted a stainless steel cookware set, a 64-ounce water jug, a pizza pan set, and other great deals happening right now. If you love Costco finds and clearance deals, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Look at what I found in Costco Chino Hills. This is a Tommy Bahama waterproof dry bag, 20 liters, so it's got a good capacity. $12.97 is the price here, you guys. At one point, it was going for $17.99, so I think this is a pretty good price already. If you're spending a lot of time outdoors this summer, it's a really handy bag to have. You can put in here things like your phone, your wallet, your keys, and other essentials, and it's going to keep them dry around water. A good summer item to have, really, and it's probably one of those items you may not think you need it until you're at the beach or on the water. And also at this same location, Costco Chino Hills, I came across the Legacy Tri-Ply stainless steel cookware set. A total of 12 pieces, so you're getting 7 pots/pans and 5 lids. $169.97 would be the current price at this location. And keep in mind the original price of around $210 or so. Here's everything that is included. You get 3 different size fry pans. You get a couple of different size saucepans too. And then one 7.5 quart stock pot with lid. The tri-ply stainless steel design helps heat your food evenly. I also really like the sleek stainless steel finish. It looks really nice in the kitchen. Now at Costco Fullerton, I came across this Tramontina 8-quart stainless steel multi-cooker. At Costco Fullerton, I found it going for $34.97. Costco now seems to have a limited stock for the product, so it's definitely getting harder to find. The original price is actually $45.99. Again, it's a large 8-quart size that is perfect for cooking family meals or even for batch cooking. You can make things in it like soups, pasta, stews, seafood, and definitely so much more. If you need a versatile pot that can do a little bit of everything, this one is definitely worth checking out. Costco now seems to have a limited stock on this Cuisinart 5-in-1 griddler with digital controls, but at Costco La Habra, I found it going for $49.97. At one point, this product right here was going for pretty much around $120, so this is one amazing price. You have 5 cooking options. You can do a panini press, contact grill, a full griddle, or you can do half grill, half griddle. You can cook things in here like burgers, pancakes, grilled sandwiches, eggs, vegetables, and more. Now here's a great set I want to point out. It's on these mesh baskets that come as a 2-pack. And they're really nice too. These are on sale with $4 off through July 19th. They went from $19 down to $14.99. But again, they're only on sale for a limited time. Has an open mesh design that makes it easy to see what's inside. You can use them to store snacks, cleaning supplies, toiletries, and other everyday items. So you can definitely use these to help you organize your pantry, help you organize your bathroom, laundry room, or closets. This fun kids avocado lounge chair would make a perfect addition to a bedroom or a playroom. I found it going for $49.97. I will let you know this price seems to be pretty steady across the board. It's a price I've seen at several Costco's. At one point, it was going for $79.99. If you've been eyeing it, it's definitely a good time to grab it. Imagine your kid reading on this, watching TV, playing games, or just hanging out. Here are the measurements for those that are interested. And also, for the first time, I come across these pizza pans, 16-inch, and 2 styles are included. You get perforated and smooth. They're also oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. I found them going for $14.97. The original price actually of $19.99, so it's like a $5 difference. These are perfect for making homemade pizza right at home. You can also use them for things like cookies, garlic bread, or even roasting vegetables. Now, if you've been eyeing the Ninja BlendBoss single serve blender, guys, this one right here is on sale at Costco. $30 off through July 12th. It went from $120 down to $89.99. Once again, the deal is only here for a limited time. I do like that the Costco version includes 2 of the tumblers. So it's very easy for making smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and since it's a single serve design, that makes it really easy to blend a drink and take it with you. Ooh, look what I found over here. The fruit icon tumblers. These are so cute. They come with little fun fruit designs that add a little summer vibe to your drinks. I found them going for $16.97. This Costco Montclair, by the way. First time seeing these marked down. And again, that's the price for a 4-pack. The original price of this product is of $24.99. The colorful design also makes them a fun gift idea. Now, if you're someone that loves going on road trips, camping, beach days, or family outings, check out this Mana 64-ounce jug that comes with 4 stackable cups. I found this one going for $16.97. And guys, I will say the price is pretty steady across the board. It's a price I've seen in several Costco locations. So definitely keep an eye out for this one. At one point, it was going for $19.99. It does come with stackable cups, making it easy to share drinks with family and friends. Now, I've noticed that several Costco's continue to carry this Oneida 24-piece flatware set that comes with a caddy. And you can see the caddy is available in 2 colors. They have it in gray and brown. I found it going for $19.97. Right now, it's like a $10 difference from the original price since normally it goes for $29.99. This set right here comes with forks, spoons, and knives for everyday meals. Of course, the caddy helps keep things organized and easy to grab. These outdoor citronella candles definitely add a nice decorative touch to your outdoor space. At Costco, they have them as a 2-pack, and they're on sale right now with $8 off through July 12th. These went from $18 down to $9.99, so it's a solid discount. Keep in mind the candles are 4-wick. And then you can repurpose the modern cement vessel. You can use it as a garden planter or just as outdoor decor. Now at Costco Tustin, I came across the Swifter Power Mop for the first time ever. I found it going for $29.97. At one point, it was going for $31.99. And keep in mind, Costco has the starter kit, so it does come with 2 solutions and 8 of the huge pads. Now, if you're looking for an easier way to clean your floors, Costco has this product. It does come with a spray system, so you don't need a bucket, and the cleaning pads help pick up dirt and messes as you go. This is going to be great for quick everyday cleaning, especially if you have kids, pets, or just want something convenient for your home. Costco now seems to have a limited stock on these Kenzie lady sandals. I found them at Costco Chino Hills going for $12.97. It's a solid price. At one point, these were going for $17.99. You can use these for everyday wear, vacations, warm weather days. I would pair them with dresses, jeans, shorts, or of course your favorite summer outfits. This looks delicious. It's a 5-cheese ravioli, a creamy blend of ricotta, mozzarella, parmesan, romano, and Asiago cheeses. 32 ounces going for $6.97. This is a clearance price. Costco Chino Hills, by the way. At one point, it was going for $10.99, so I'm definitely going to start keeping an eye out for 4th of July products because I do expect for a lot of them to be marked down soon. Here are the nutrition facts for those that are interested. 1 cup's around 230 calories. If anyone's been wanting to try this cake cone fish-shaped frozen dairy dessert that comes in 3 different flavors, Costco has it on sale, guys, until August 2nd, pretty much. So it has $3.50 off right now. So the price came down to $10.39, and in here you get 12 ice creams. So you have 3 flavors: red bean, strawberry, and chocolate. Let me know if anyone's tried these. This looks delicious too. It's a 4-cheese chicken carbonara lasagna that comes with uncured smoked bacon. I feel like you can't ever go wrong with things that have bacon in them. 40 ounces going for $6.97. Wow. Costco Chino Hills, by the way. At one point, it was going for $13.99. 1 cup's around 340 calories. It has around 860 when it comes to its sodium. Here's another 4th of July product, and it's on the pretzel crisps. These are fireworks berry cream. At Costco City of Industry, I found these going for $4.97. Keep in mind, this bag's of a great size too, 1.25 pounds. The original price is of $8.49. 1 ounce is around 140 calories, and then 1 serving is around 4 crackers. Check this one out. It's organic cold brew espresso roast coffee. It's by Wandering Bear. I found it at Costco Chino Hills in case anyone's interested. Found it going for $14.97 here, and at one point it was going for $20.99. Costco definitely seems to have a limited stock for this product now. And it says here you get 16 servings per box. The serving size is of 6 fluid ounces. That's only around 10 calories.